Pag-asa says Typhoon Odette is rapidly intensifying as it approaches parts of the Caraga region. To tell us more about the situation over there right now, we have Jem Avancenia. She's joining us on the line from Tandag City in Surigao del Sur. Good morning. Jem, could you tell us the latest?
Yes, Charles, since last night, we are experiencing strong rains over the province of Surigao del Sur. And just this morning, the rain and wind became stronger, and currently, so nakikita natin talagang sobrang lakas na nitong ang pagbuhos ng ulan. And also, we've noticed the huge waves along the coastal road of Surigao del Sur this morning. Charles?
Right, heavy rain there so far. Do we know how many people have been evacuated so far, Jem?
Here in Tandag City, according to Mayor Roxanne Pimentel, they already evacuated around 3,500 families, and all of the 8 evacuation centers here are almost full, according to the mayor. And we've talked to some evacuees, and according to them, so far they are okay. They already received their ayudas, and the LGU provided them meals this morning. Charles?
Jem, apart from this preemptive evacuation, what other preparations are in place? Are the rescue teams ready?
Yes, since last night, according to authorities, to some officials that we've talked to, they already deployed their search and rescue teams, especially on the coastal areas and to some areas that were flood prone, since there are still residents who refuse to evacuate. Charles?
That being said, Jem, are we getting reports of any flooded area so far amidst this heavy rain?
So far here in Tandag City, there are still no reports of flooded areas, but they are anticipating flooding since last night we are experiencing strong rains here in the province. Charles?
Based on what you're seeing and based on what has been said by the local government officials, what is the expected impact of Typhoon Odette in that area?
Yes, Charles, the authorities, they are praying that there will be no flash flood, but they are reminding the residents, especially those living on the landslide and flood-prone areas, to really evacuate before the situation worsens, since this Bagyong Odette is expected to become stronger this afternoon as it makes a landfall over the Surigao del Norte. Charles?
Thank you and stay safe, Jem. That was Jem Avancenia reporting to us live from Surigao del Sur.